Today we're on site at a client distribution centre. We're doing benchmark servicing, and the reasons for this is because we don't necessarily know the entire service history of the machines. Whilst the client has over 15 years worth of service reports, unfortunately the generators haven't been serviced in line with the OEM recommendations. So today the team are carrying out a fan drive belt change, coolant filters, oil and coolant changes, a coolant flushing between replacing the coolant, thermostat changes, valve lash and injector height adjustments, and then doing a mega ohm meter test and a full inspection on the alternator, a functional test of the control system and the ATS, and then going to complete a load bank test on each machine for 4 hours, and then carry out a functional black building test. Once this is all done, we'll have full confidence in the asset, but then be able to enter our service level agreement, meaning that Pleavin Power will know all the major service components have been changed, and we have full confidence that the machines can deliver when required if should there be a power outage on the client site.